Rolling.
I just said to you, Paul, the way to catch them, mate, is to sit down and do something else. And we nailed this nice one.
Good dead baiting Swano. He's a beauty, mate.
Just measured 68 centimetre on a pumpkin seed gulp. He wasn't too happy about it, but he had a good first run, didn't he? Oh
shit, mate. He went like a rocket.
Probably ran about 80 metres off first run. Anyway, we'll take a few photos and let him go into the bait tank.
Beauty.
Don't mess with those jig heads. Look at those fangs.
Yeah.
Let me go. That's another jig head. See if you can get the dents on the head of it. Made a mess of it. Yes. Anyway, very good. Let's get another.